Scoops, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the originals hair mayonnaise, or Africa's best originals hair mayo, whatever you want to call it. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this in your stores. This is a protein hair treatment. By the way, if you're new tuning in, welcome. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that bell notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released each and every week for your entertainment. So this is brand new. I purchased mine from my local beauty supply store, I think, or either my local drugstore. I cannot remember, you guys. So if you've never seen this hair mayo before, this is what it looks like. It's a mixture of a whole lot of different things here. It has like that mustard eggy type texture to it. The smell doesn't smell all of that at all. So I'm going to apply it to my hair. But first you want to make sure you start off with freshly washed hair. So what you're seeing is freshly washed hair. I'm going in and I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections, and then I'll go ahead and apply the product. A little bit about this product is it is a unique hair moisturizer made of natural ingredients to condition and moisturize your hair. It treats your hair to a unique blend of botanicals, vitamins, egg protein, and extra virgin olive oil. It's the perfect remedy for damaged and over-processed hair. So the purpose of me purchasing this particular product is because I have been wearing a lot of braids back to back to back, and my hair doesn't feel its strongest, and I wish I can take a break from the braids, but right now I'm just in that ugly, awkward stage. My hair is growing out of a tapered hairstyle. So I decided to purchase this product just to kind of resuscitate my hair as much as possible. So still applying the product to each section. You guys, I was extremely generous with the product. It goes on super easy. I did apply it to damp hair. I have also used this product as a styler in my hair, believe it or not, and my hair did really well to it some years ago. I am not new to this product. I have used it in the past. Do I recommend that you use this product as a leave-in or hairstyler product? Absolutely not, but it worked for me. It could possibly work for you. So after I have the product applied to the longer parts of my hair, I'm just going into the tapered section, and I'm kind of just combing through with my hands or fingers this product just to make sure I coat my entire head with it. I'm going to treat this like a hair mask. So basically what I'm doing is putting a bag over my head just so that I can attract some heat between my head and the product, and to allow the product to kind of seep through my hair strands. I'm going to allow the product to sit on my hair for about 10 minutes. After I do that, then of course I'm going to go in and I'm going to rinse the product out. I'm adding a head scarf or a hair bonnet over the bag, again, just to kind of help trap some heat. Once I've done that, the product is completely rinsed out of my hair, and you guys get the opportunity to see the results. My hair feels super clean, super soft, easy to manage. My hair seems to have taken to this product. Do I recommend it for low porosity hair? No. I do have low porosity hair, so it did okay in my hair so far. See you tubes in the next